We're live. Imani, that was not acceptable. Okay. So, this is before Gospel Explosion begins. Does anyone have any words they like to say?
I got some words. It's about to be awesome. It's about to move, everything.
What's our word?
Huh?
Toot toot. Toot toot. We are waiting for our sound check. I should walk around to everybody. Does anyone have any words they like to say?
Any words?
No words?
Excited.
She's excited. Have any words? Really? Really?
Yes.
What'd you?
Word for what?
For the camera.
We're gonna light it up. Light it up. For the spirit of God.
Any words? Deuces?
About what?
Gospel Explosion?
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Are
Awesome.
you posting this somewhere before Gospel Explosion starts?
I can.
Well, come. Be with us.
Any words, guys?
Do great.
Do great. Okay. I'll put it on my Facebook page. Y'all know it. You don't have any words.
Wait, you have to get some sound check when I take
Okay.
right now.
Look at Elder. Let the Lord use you. Just let him use you. Well. Am I on recording? Huh? Is it recording?
I can't.
Are you in my face?
Yes.
Hi, camera.
Alrighty then. Well, y'all heard it from the choir ourselves. Signing out. Toot toot, toot toot.